Hi everyone, welcome to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a dim light effect in Lumion. You can see the example over here. Like you can see the turn on light effect. So you can create that in Lumion as well. So let's go to the Lumion. Okay, this is my pre-made file and I already set the light in the scene. So you can create the light if you want from this light tab. You can use any light whatever you want. I'm using this one, line light. So let's go further. Okay, first of all you need to move to the movie section and create a scene. Record your scene. Okay, like 1 and 2. Like we need at least 6 to 7 seconds. Let's take it 9. Okay, and you may use any other presets whatever you like 2-point perspective. Okay, and the most important one is the animate light colors. So we will use this preset, so let's choose this one. Okay, now select the lights. Okay, if you want to use all the lights, so just select all the lights. I'm going to select all the lights. One by one I'm selecting all the lights. That's done. Okay, now create a keyframe over here on the 0 second and turn off all the colors. Now light is turned off. Now go to the 4 second around and again create the key and turn on the lights. If you want the specific color, so you can use that colors only. Okay, so let's check the effect. Look how easy is this. Okay, or if you want to create some other exciting thing in that, so create another key points over here and reduce your light intensity to little bit down. Okay, now go to the second point, 2 second, and adjust this nearby 15 and 0.15. Okay, and around 3 seconds, that's fine, and the 4 is the full. Okay, so you can see the slow dim effect in your scene. Okay, so I hope you understand the concept of this tutorial and how you can animate light colors or light in Lumion. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe my channel for more updates. I will share another trick for the lighting effect, about the lighting effect, so please stay in tune with me. Thank you very much.